At Farms.com Risk Management, we understand that commodity price risk management and sound financial advice are essential in today's volatile crop and swine sectors. Visit our website at www.riskmanagement.farms.com.
This is Michelle Lamorin, Commodity Research Analyst with Farms.com Risk Management, with this week's Farms.com Hog Report. This week, the USDA released their annual baseline projections for February 14th. This report provided a positive long-term outlook for the livestock sector. Some of the primary long-term projections made in this report included expansion in the red meat sector due to rising slaughter weights and economic incentives, the emergence of poultry as the area of the greatest growth in the meat sector due to both higher numbers and average weights, and moderate increases in pork production. Prices in the livestock sector are projected to rise over the next decade due to a moderate rise in production and improving domestic demand and export levels. Also released this week, the combined hog inventory in the United States and Canada for December 2010 was pegged at 76.2 million head. This is down 1% from the year prior and down 4% from December of 2008. According to the U.S. Meat Export Federation of February 11, 2011, U.S. pork exports in December 2010 were down 1% compared to last month and up 11.4% versus December of 2009. U.S. pork exports were up 3.2% from 2010 compared to 2009 and the second highest annual total on record. The total value of pork exports in December was 19.2% higher than in 2009, and the total 2010 value reached $4.082 billion, which is 14% more than 2009. Japan was the biggest volume buyer in 2010 at over 1 billion carcasses, up 1% from 2009, with Mexico as the second largest volume buyer at 1.03 carcasses. And this is up 16.5% from 2009. This is the largest pork volume ever shipped for any given month in the market. December U.S. pork imports were down 8.3% compared to November and down 11.3% versus December of 2009. The number of hogs imported from Canada during 2010 totaled 693,000, up 2.3% from 2009. Total U.S. pork imports were up 3.1% in 2010 as well. So bottom line, the USDA has increased their price forecast for 2011 hogs by $3.50 per carcass for live weight. Moderate short-term changes in production, rising export numbers, and higher consumption are forecasted for the livestock sector. Good news all around to end off the week. That's all for today. Have a great weekend.